I got this 2004 Honda Accord in here, coupe. This power window doesn't work. I don't have a wiring diagram on this thing, so I'm just going to kind of wing it. I turn the key on and I can hear it clicking. There's a relay in here and it's working, so I'm thinking it's not the switch. Passenger side works fine. I'm going to take this apart, try to figure it out. I'm going to get in here with a tool and just carefully pry up on this, and it should come out of here. Yep. Unplug these connectors. You just got to push in these tabs and pop them out. Got some Phillips screws under here. I think they're Phillips. One there. One here. There's this black plastic here. There's a little tab down here. You pull that up and this pops out. You got two screws here. There should be some little panel popping doojimahickeys in here. Get that thing out. Carefully yank this out of here. It should just come up. Up and out. Now you can ever so carefully pull this back, this panel. You got this green clip here. And it should just pop out like that. And then this, you push this out of the way like that. You pull this cable out. And there's a wire down here for a light. And there's a clip holding it on there I got to get off. It's kind of hard to get behind it, so I'm just going to try to yank it out of here. I really shouldn't do this, but I did it. The door panel's off. By the looks of this this tape, I would have to say somebody's been in here before. I'm going to peel this junk back like somebody already did. And what I'm looking for, the power window wire. It's right here. Holy crap, there's 6 pins on that thing. Holy crap, it's not 2 pins. Oh my god, what do I do? What is there, up, down, side to side? I don't understand. Okay, I plugged this back in. I figured it out. You got a red, yellow, and a red, black wire. And those are both the power up and power downs. See, that's power down, the red, yellow, and the red with a black stripe is power up. And then you got a black wire, that's the ground. And that's the ground for both, of course. And then these are just 5-volt reference signals. They're probably sensing wires. This one's reading 11 volts and it's goofy. Probably not a lot of amperage. So yeah, there's like a blue and an orange and a red with a white stripe that are for probably some kind of sensors, so it knows when to stop or something, I don't know. So I plug this, I power these up and I got nothing. So I know this switch is good and I know it's getting powers and grounds to the to this connector, so it's got a bad motor. So I'm gonna get a regulator for this thing. Well, this window's stuck in the up position, and I got the new regulator. And in order to take these out, the window's got to be rolled down to this point, I think, so you can get in here with a 10mm and take the bolt out for the window. I don't know how I'm going to do this, so I'm just going to wing it. Start taking bolts off. There's 3 here for the motor. Yeah, that's loose. And there's a couple up here and a couple down there. This thing should just fall down some. Not really. Oh, there it goes. There's a bolt there. There's probably a bolt buried behind that regulator somehow. Well, I'll take this one out because I can get at it. Oh, I see you. I see it. It's in a bad spot. Get this window all the way up and put that wedge in there to keep it there. I can get at it with a wrench. Okay, I got it. It's kind of stuck in there. Alright, I think I got to take this thing out of here. That'll probably help me. Give me enough room. Okay, it's out. Okay, as you can see, the new regulator, it's actually not all the way up. That's the way they come, and that's how you're supposed to mount it. So I'm going to stick this thing in here. Should go like this, like this. Okay. Let this window down ever so gently. I think these screws for these windows are a little longer than the rest of them too, so don't mix them up. Okay, that feels right. Plug this in. Let's see if I'm right about something. Hey, I'm right about something. What do you know? I'm not a dumbass after all. Alright, look at that. I'm going to have another happy victim. There it is, another job well done. And by the way, whenever you do a job like this too, you always want to make sure the other window is down, just in case you do something stupid. And it is, so I'm done. Okay, bye.